How to enable Meta AI chat on Messenger. Hey guys, if you recently knew about the Meta AI heading over to our Messenger, this is extremely useful. And so, if you want to go ahead and use this, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the application downloader on your device. And once inside, you simply want to go ahead and search for Messenger. Now, the reason that we are inside Messenger right here is that we want to make sure that our application is up to date, because this is one of the newest feature Messenger has released. Right after updating Messenger, this menu will show up. From here, you simply want to go ahead and click on the Ask Meta AI or search if you want to go ahead and use Meta AI straight up, or you can just head over to a conversation, and from there you can type at Meta AI and ask the AI anything. In our case, let's go ahead and ask Meta AI from here. I'll go ahead and click on Imagine a Flying Pig, and I will now start a conversation with Meta AI. And so, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.